Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing get ready with me. I'm going out with my friends to go get some drinks in like 5 minutes. I have to go, so I quickly showed you guys how I did my makeup, my hair. I'm gonna list everything down below, like as far as my clothes and my makeup and everything. If you have any questions, of course leave them down below, because since it is get ready with me, I didn't do a voiceover or a talk through. You guys are literally just gonna see the mess that is getting ready with me. It's a mess, I'm all over the place, but yeah, I think that is all I had to say as far as the intro. Don't forget to subscribe and like, as well as don't forget to follow me on my social media, which will be listed somewhere over here or something. And let's just jump right into it. So the first thing I want to mention, so this is by the brand V2. So this is their oxygen eye mask, and this is like an overnight eye mask, which is so cool because I do eye creams every single day and night, but I have never done an eye mask. So that is what I'm going to start off with, just to show you guys how it works. So these are perfect actually for like nights out. I know I've had them when I go out and I don't get home till like 5 in the morning, and then the next day I have work or something. And then I look so tired, so I would do like an eye mask because it helps you look more awake and more bright. And then it says you should leave it on for 8 hours, so it's overnight. So obviously it's not nighttime right now and I am going out, but I still want to demonstrate to you guys how to do this, because I feel like my eyes don't look that tired anymore since I've begun doing this, because usually my eyes look very like droopy. So this is what the packaging looks like. So I forgot to mention that this comes with 6 packets, and I'm gonna leave the price and everything down below so you can check it out. The links, everything will be down in the description bar. That's how you do it. Another tip you can do with these eye masks, you can put a packet of these in the fridge. So yeah, I'm gonna take these off now. the final look. I have to get going. Like, my room is a disaster right now because I still don't even know what I'm really wearing. My jacket is from Forever 21 and I just have a black plain crop top from Hollister, and then this is from a little local kiosk at my mall. I really have to get going now, and I will catch you guys next time.